Hello, in today's video, I'm actually going to continue to demonstrate how to open up an iPhone 7 or 8 with a razor blade. So the first thing I'm going to do is I already loosen up the screws. I'm going to remove it with a magnet. Makes it super easy. There we go, that's the first one. Put it to the side. Remove the second one. So next step is heat up the screen a little bit, and then from there I'll demonstrate. No, put that down. If you're wondering how much temperature I'm using, it's 200 degrees. So here we go. It's a little warm. There we go. Open it up on a little bit on this side too. As you see. Now we start from the side. Just like I was telling you in the other video. Yes, baby. Once you have that opening, I want to start in gently. Start lifting. Just a little bit. Here we go. Starting to lift up. As you see. Once that side is lifted up, I'm going to go back and trace it gently. Like I showed you, safety. You want to put it on this end. Lift up from there. As you see, I lift it up. I'm showing you this corner too right here. You want to lift it up just a bit. Once you push in, there you go. So now that it's lifted in, I'm lifting up gently. Not pushing too much force. Just enough. Get underneath. Once I'm there, I get back over here. The screen is gonna be a little bit, it's gonna be a little hard to take off because of the adhesive, but you just keep doing it gently. Let's go. Right here, you can actually use your hands little by little. You try to now lift a little bit gently. Push back just a bit. Use the razor to actually cut the adhesive on top. Gently, do not go in there crazy. Once you did that, what you want to do is you can heat it up too a little bit to make it easier. There you go. So now with the razor blade, push down a little bit. Once you did that, you're gonna see, you can actually see the glue still intact. So you want to do it gently, because you don't want to cut the wires, and then there you go. And there you go. That is how you open up an iPhone 7 with a razor blade. Now I'm gonna close it up. As you see, no wires, nothing is cut up. So I was doing it very gentle. When you're in this point, you gotta be careful to push in. Now let's put it back together. I'm gonna turn it back on to see that everything is alright. So we're gonna do the same process. Oh yeah, and the adhesive, once you open it up, it's not the same. You have to add adhesive. When I get the replacement adhesive, I'll show you how to. I'll make a video and show you how to put it together. So here we go. So it fits back in perfectly. Now I'm gonna turn it on, and there you go. That's how you open up an iPhone 7 with a razor blade. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.